And I hope you all are doing good. I'm back from my vacation. I enjoyed my short little break. So when I came back to my apartment, I received this parcel, and this is by Sugarbox. This is their 3rd anniversary special gold edition box, and I love Sugarbox subscription boxes. Everything is super cute. Price of the Sugarbox is 1899 rupees, which is same for all Sugarboxes. So if you go to their website, you can actually see what are the products that you will be receiving in your Sugarbox. So there's no surprise there, and sometimes I don't like surprises. So anyways, so I went to their website and I actually know what are the products that are inside this box, and they were all so cute and so adorable. That's why I am pumped and I can't hold my excitement. I just want to open this box up and see how the products are in real life. So the actual box is inside this brown box that will protect your original box. So I'm gonna just open this. Alright, so let's open it. Now let me hold the camera and I'm gonna show you the products like this, and then I'll come back. So you get a card here that says 3rd anniversary gold edition, and this is the message. Then so this is a candy, I guess, pink pie. I've never had this pie. This is the glove, ear cuffs. I'll show them individually when I sit back. I don't know what is this. Hopefully they are earrings. And then this is a clutch, very nice, very pretty color. And I don't know what is this, I'll show you. I guess this is the face scrub. Yeah, and this is the hoodie. Alright. So the first thing that we saw was this pink pie mini snack biscuit. Oh, yummy. Oh my god, it's yummy. I've never had this. Next thing that we have is this glove. I'm glad it's in grey color because I love grey color. Winter is almost over, but I have plans to go to some hill station, Mussoorie maybe, next week, post my birthday week, because this birthday I plan to go to my mother's house. So I will take these when I go to some hill station. It's really warm and it's really cute. Next is this. Oh my god, this is so cute. So these earmuffs are strawberry shaped again, and it's worth ₹450, and it's so soft and so fluffy. I love it. But winter is almost over. God, bye. Then we have this envelope. Let me open it up. I am guessing it has earrings. So it has these, oh my god, so gorgeous earrings. Look at these are so beautiful. Oh my god, love it. So lovely. Let me just wear it and show you. I'm not wearing any earring right now. God. They're so pretty. Then we have this box, and let's open it. You also get one watch, and this watch is worth ₹650. This is mermaid color changing watch. So the watch is pretty decent. Let me just wear it and show you. It's so beautiful and it's white in color. White is my favorite color. It says this watch changes color when exposed to sunlight. Take it out for some sunshine and watch it change colors. So I am shooting in evening right now, so there is no sunlight. So I will test it out tomorrow and I'll show you. Then we have this beautiful clutch. Okay, and it's a sling bag, they're saying, and it's of really good quality. I can feel it. And let me just open it. And the color is really pretty. So you also get one this belt, so you can carry it like a sling bag too. And there is one zipper inside. And then moving on, we have this organic oatmeal lavender declogging scrub. This is organic, vegetarian and cruelty free, and it contains a rolled oats, cane sugar, Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, lavender extract and lavender essential oil. All these are really good for your skin and it is surely going to declog your pores. So I'm totally excited to try this out because I came back from beach vacation and I need it the most. It looks like this. I hope you can see. I will try to review this on my blog, so check it out. And then the last product that we have is this hoodie, which is worth rupees 1050. It says cute but psycho. That's a hood as well, and it will go well with your shorts or with your leggings or jeans. It's good. So Sugarbox is only 3 years old and yet it's one of the most popular boxes in India. So it's a huge achievement and I would like to congratulate them on their 3rd anniversary. Well done guys. And I really love my gold edition box. You should totally grab one of these boxes. But all the products are really nice. And you only pay 1899 rupees and you receive so many amazing products. And if you sum it all, the total amount is 5069, which means you save 3070 rupees, which is a huge saving. You get so many amazing products by paying only 1899 rupees. This sling bag has to be my favorite. It's really good and the quality is really nice. And these earmuffs are my second favorite. I love it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and this video was useful for you. And if it was, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.